हेलो दोस्तों, तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं फर्स्ट चैप्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट एट कर्व सरफेस एरिया। ठीक है, इस चैप्टर में हम लोग आज क्वेश्चन से बात नहीं करेंगे। आज मैं इस चैप्टर के नोट आपको शो कराऊंगा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू नोट्स अबाउट द चैप्टर। ठीक है, इस चैप्टर में हमारे जितने भी मतलब नोट्स हैं वो सारे के सारे मैं आपको बताऊँगा और कुछ एक्सप्लेन भी करूँगा। ठीक है, जो भी नोट्स मैं दिखाऊँगा आपको उसमें एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। ठीक है, द विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट आई एक्सप्लेन यूर एवरीथिंग एक्सप्लेन टू यू एंड ये वीडियो मतलब डिटेल में नहीं है पूरा। ठीक है, ये एक नोट्स है और थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लेनिंग है। ठीक है, तो चलिए अब हम अपने नोट की ओर आगे चलते हैं। सो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर हो गया रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कर्व सरफेस। ठीक है, और ये जो हो गया हमारा ये फर्स्ट जो आता है हमारा चैप्टर में, ये जो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट चैप्टर है। ठीक है, मैं दोनों बुक यहाँ पे रख लेता हूँ और आपको समझा भी देता हूँ। ठीक है, पहले आता है हमारा रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर। ठीक है, स्फेरिकल मिरर कैसा होता है और कैसे क्या होता है। ठीक है, ये पहले पूछा है हमसे। ठीक है, ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट फर्स्ट रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर। ओके, देयर नोट। ओके, फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू बाय मिरर व्हाट इज मिरर एंड हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ मिरर। ठीक है, so there is asking to you there are two types of mirror. Okay, there is one is plane mirror and one is a spherical mirror, but our chapter in our first asking that reflection of light by spherical mirror is asking about a spherical mirror. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you so about plane mirror, but I'm just tell you about spherical mirror in very carefully. Okay, so there are two types of spherical mirror. Okay, so spherical mirror is two types of spherical mirror here. First is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. I hope you already know concave mirror and convex mirror. Everyone know that. Okay, so next is that here is a plane mirror diagram. Okay, it's a plane mirror. Plane mirror is how look like. For example, I can tell to you here only. Plane mirror like it's going. Okay, left them. Okay, for example, that's okay. This is a line and this is the line, and when we draw like upper side, that's something here. Okay, like that, not looking to me. Okay, something. Okay, it's a plane mirror. If light is coming, object is here, something, your eyes is here, something, eyes, think it's eyes. Okay, going here and you looking here. Okay, something here. Okay, all this is a plane mirror. Okay, look here, it's a plane mirror. And here is the spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror. First is a concave mirror and second is convex mirror. Okay, right? So I'm drawing here the concave mirror. You can draw here like that. Okay, and if you polish here, it's become concave mirror. Okay, it's become concave mirror. And sometimes what happen, if you see in CBSE board and some other books, they drawing concave mirror like that. That is the only, but he's drawing like here upper side. Don't think it's a convex mirror, it's a concave only. Convex is like that only. For example, in our textbook they are showing like that concave mirror, and convex is something here. Okay, convex mirror like that. Okay, but in the you see CBSE book they are showing like you here like that. They are showing here like that only. Is showing to you something like that. Is what to you in CBSE board. It's a CBSE board only. NCRT also, in our textbook they are showing like that, concave and convex. Okay, this is the concave and this is the convex, but sometimes showing that this is also concave and this is also concave. Okay, don't confuse in that. This is the concave mirror and this is also concave mirror. Clear? Okay, so first look that. Okay, now next I'm going to tell you. So first coming that what is the plane mirror. Okay, so write that a mirror whose reflected surface is a plane is known as called as plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror, tell you now, surface, this surface is plane. Okay, if you polish here it's plane, it's a called plane mirror. Next, a spherical mirror, the mirror which have curved surface are known as a spherical mirror. Okay, spherical, you know what is the mean by spherical? A sphere, you know, a sphere. For if you say that it's a round, it's a not round but you think that it's a round. Okay, if it's a round things, and if you cut in the between, it's a sphere, it's a sphere, that's a spherical mirror. And if you cut here, that side is coming here and that side is coming here, This is a spherical. If you polish in the upper side, it's become concave, and if you polish in the downward, it's become convex. Okay, so in a sphere, this is a sphere. Okay, this is a concave, this is a concave, this is a convex. Understand? Good. Okay, so you're writing that a spherical mirror. A mirror which have curved surface are known as a spherical mirror. Okay, here given convex mirror. What is convex mirror? Okay, a spherical mirror whose reflected surface is curved inward. Okay, inward is called concave mirror. Okay, na? Convex mirror, the part of the spherical mirror whose reflected surface is curved outward is called convex mirror. Okay, na? I tell to you. Okay, so that's completed. In our chapter here say that what is a spherical mirror. I tell to you, a spherical means round side. If you cut, it's a concave, it's a convex. If light is going here in the, if that you swing, that is the spherical. Okay, that here light is coming, and that is the spherical. Sorry, it's a concave, it's a convex. Okay, understand or not? Good. And then activity is that activity is nothing, it's a rubber band only, and there is a pins. You can say it's some, like, what is that, it's a pins. Okay, only pins there. If you do like that, it's all the reflecting rays coming from one point, that is focal. If in the convex, it's not coming, it's diverging. See, if you see the here, it's a diverging. If it is diverging, it's diverging outward. But imagine, we are imagining and meet in the focal. Okay, understand that only. And here something will be showing. It's a not very important, but it's a, here is the activity only. Okay, here is a giving that ray diagram for convex mirror. I tell that very important. This is a very important. Okay, ray diagram of a convex mirror. I tell to you. Okay, so go ahead. First we are going to know that. What is principal axis. This is the principal axis. What is the mean by C? C means center of curvature, R means radius of curvature, P means pole, M means magnification, F means focal length, F means focal point and focal. Okay, a small f, it means focal length, U means object distance, and V means image distance. I think so many children are confusing in U and V. So one tip is there. Think we are what we are. We are a object. You think we are a object. That means we are a object. And V means image. U means you. What you are. You are a object. Okay. That's it. U means object. V means image. Okay. Then coming sign of convection. First we learn sign of convection. Then I go to it. Okay. Sign of convection means that is telling to you all distance should be measured from pole. Okay, all distance should be measured from pole. The distance measured in the direction of the incident light that we taken positive, measured in the direction opposite in the light taken negative. Okay, I tell you that height of the object HO, H means height, O means object. Okay, and height of the image, H means height, I means object. Okay, here I am doing mistake here. Okay, here means I only, but I am writing something. Okay, here I. Okay, this is I. R positive measured upward from the axis, and the negative is the measured downward. Okay, so think that this is the mirror, convex mirror, and he said that all distance will be measured from incident light. Light is coming here. It means it's a positive. In the opposite side is there now. It's a negative. Okay, upside is positive always. Downside is negative. Okay, if image is from upward, that is real. This is not real. It's a erected and virtual image. If image is from downward, it's a real and inverted image. Okay, and here is something plane mirror. I say na, if mirror is here, like here is object, you see here, it's looking like here only. Looking there is a mirror. Okay, it's imaging. It's a that is the plane mirror, is a virtual image and erected image. Okay, mirror forms. Okay. Next, that's coming concave mirror. Okay, here I am writing in Hindi, but I tell you in English only. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. You know, converging means what? Not diverging. All the ray coming from one point. Okay, that is means converging means what? All the ray, all the something distance coming from one point. Whatever coming in one point, that is a converging. That is the concave mirror is a converging mirror. Okay, and I say to you, जो mirror उल्टा object फॉर्म करता है वही इमेज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड होता है, ठीक है. हियर से दैट आई सेड ना, द मिरर विच इज फॉर्म डाउनवर्ड, द मिरर as for example this is the mirror, this is the concave mirror, okay. If image ray is coming here going that side and ray is coming here and going that side, image where form, sorry, that's something here, okay. Image is here form, how form, that's downward. If image is formed downward, it is the real and inverted image, okay. That is the written here, okay. If mirror is formed virtual image, it means it is erected image. Virtual means erected. If image is virtual, then erected is also erected, same like real inverted image, okay. Real means inverted, virtual means erected, okay. Next, there are 6 types of nature of the concave mirror when object is kept at different place before the concave mirror, okay. So think that it's a concave mirror, okay. Looking, it's a concave mirror. This is the principal axis, this is the focal point, this is the center of curvature. And think that if ray is coming from infinity, for example I say one boy is here, one girl is here, something, just think that, okay. Don't take it out. If boy is here, one girl is here. Boy is where? Boy is infinity, girl is infinity, boy is focal. They want to meet, they both are friends, but they are so far, they want to meet, okay. So girl is moving, girl is here, then boy is also here, okay. Girl is here, boy is also here, girl is moving one, okay. Girl is moving and coming in the behind the center of, okay. He coming here, then the boy is also moving, the boy is moving one step. If girl is moving one step, boy is also moving one step. If girl is moving 2 step, boy is also moving 2 step. For there is infinity, girl is infinity, boy is also focal. Girls coming in center, boys coming in between center and focal and center, okay. Then okay, see that girl here, boy here, girl here, boy here. Then girl is coming here, girl is coming center, boy is also coming in center, but they that is the upside, that is the inside, he not see, girl is not see boy, boy is not see girl. So girl think no, my friend is here only, and the boy saying my friend is here only. They move, girl is not here, staying here, it's moving. Girl is coming here, boy is also going here, okay. It's center to the between F and C, it's also going to the between C and infinity, it's coming here. Then girl is going focal point, the boy is going infinity. Boy is where going infinity, and he is going, he said, he think that my girl is not here, my friend is not here, that girl is think my friend is not here, okay. Then the girl is going here, focal, then image is from here. If girl is here, girl is coming here, he is searching his friend, where is my friend, but he asking to the focal, my friend is here or not. If focal said no, your friend is the here in my room, come out of the boundary, he take it out of the boundary, okay. I will not understand that, because if you, it's a some tips where image is formed, it's a something idea, okay na. For example I say if object is infinity, image is formed. If image is infinity, that means object is form, its image is formed in focal only. If object is the between behind the C, image is formed F and C, between F and C, okay. If object is center, then image is formed center only. If object is between F and C, then image is formed between C and infinity, okay. If the behind the C, okay, you can say behind the C. If image is if object is focal, then image is from infinity. If object is going, if think that if object is here, if you keep here any, then image is not formed, image is formed out of the outside, outward of the mirror, out of the mirror, okay. Understand or not? Okay, I told that, okay, that's it. At infinity it means 18. If image is focal, if image is focal and infinity, it's formed in focal only. At infinity, if object is at infinity, okay, then image is formed in focal only. If object is behind the C, image is formed between F and C. If object is center of curvature, image is formed center of curvature only. If object is between focal and center, Yeah, you can say center and focal, both, you can say both are right only. Behind the sea, image is from behind the sea. If object is focal point, then image is from in infinity. And the next is that f and c, f and p मतलब a focal point and what can say, it's a pole. Okay, it's a pole between f and pole. Okay, focal and pole. Image is where image is from, image is from behind the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to tell you. So this is the ray diagram of at the infinity. Okay, seeing that is one ray is coming from infinity, it's coming, look here, ray is coming. If coming here, one thing is that there is some, okay, it's enough for you. Okay, ray is coming. Okay, and here here is here is great incident. One ray is coming here, incident, and diverging, it's diverging and it's passed through the focal. One ray is also coming, diverging, passed to focal, all will be meet in the focal only. What means, ray where coming, ray come from infinity. If infinity is there, then image is from focal only. If anything, any object is the in infinity, it's formed in focal. It's forming in focal or not form. Okay, so that is what the question asked to you. Position of the object, where is the object, object is the infinity. Image is image position, where the image form, image is formed at focus. Image side, what the image size, highly diminished, image is very small, the image formation is very small. Okay, image nature, what the image nature, how the image, it's a real inverted, erected. What the image, it's a real inverted. The image which is from downward, it is the real image, real and inverted image. Okay, understand, good. And then second is the behind the sea. If see, it's a concave mirror, it's focal center. If object is, you think that if infinity, then focal, its center of curvature, then image form in between here only. So image is between, behind the sea. Okay, here if you can take the one ray and passing from here, take the one ray here to the passing to the focal, it's from here, where the image form, position of the object is behind C, image position between F and C. मैंने कहा था ना, अगर मतलब कि मान लो एक दोस्त यहाँ पे, एक लड़की यहाँ पे, एक लड़के यहाँ पे, अगर लड़की वहाँ पे है तो लड़का भी वहीं पे होगा. अगर लड़की एक कदम चलेगी तो लड़का भी एक कदम चलेगा. चलाइए, अब लड़की यहाँ आएगी, लड़का भी यहाँ आ जाएगा. अब लड़की यहाँ पे है, वहाँ पे होगी, लड़का यहाँ पे होगा. लड़की यहाँ पे, लड़का यहाँ पे, लड़की उधर, लड़का ख़त्म. ठीक है, समझ में आया नहीं आया? ठीक है ना? नहीं समझ में आया तो बोल देना. ठीक है ना? ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ये नोट है, मतलब ये नोट ही है. ठीक है, दिस इज़ आवर नोट, बट आई ट्राई टू टेल टू यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है ना? इमेज साइज कैसा है, डिमनीज है. इमेज नेचर कैसा है, रियल इन्वर्टेड है. ठीक है, अब देखो क्वेश्चन आता है, सॉरी थर्ड रे डायग्राम आता है. ऑन द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, अगर इमेज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे हुआ तो बताओ इमेज कहाँ फॉर्म होगा. अगर इमेज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे होगा, इमेज भी सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे होगी. मैंने क्यों कहा था, ठीक, जैसे कि मैं सोचो, अगर लड़की इन्फिनिटी पे है तो लड़का भी इन्फिनिटी फोकल पे ही होगा. अगर लड़की एक कदम चलेगी, लड़का भी एक कदम चलेगा. मतलब ये आ जाएगा एफ एंड सी के बीच में. अगर लड़की अगर सेंटर पे आ जाएगी तो लड़का भी सेंटर पे आ जाएगा. अगर लड़की इस पे जाएगी, फोकल और इसके बीच में आ जाएगी, लड़का भी इधर आ जाएगा. लड़की इधर आ जाएगी, लड़का इधर आ जाएगा. ये लड़की इधर जाएगी, मीन्स लड़का ख़त्म, लड़का कहानी ख़त्म, वो पागल, समझो. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. यहाँ पे पूरा सेंटर पे, तो यहाँ पे सेंटर है. ठीक है, ये सेंटर है. सेंटर पे इमेज हुआ, एक रे इधर से लो आया, इंसिडेंट होकर पास आया, फिर ये रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ, ये इधर से इंसिडेंट हुआ, फिर रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ. इमेज कहाँ फॉर्म हुआ है, इधर ही होगा. इमेज इधर ही फॉर्म होगा. ठीक है, ये आस्किंग टू यू पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. इसका मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे था, एट कहाँ पे था ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे था. इमेज पोजीशन कैसा था, एट द सेंटर ऑफ, इमेज पोजीशन कहाँ पे हुआ, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे हुआ. इमेज कैसा हुआ, सेम साइज, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का हाइट होगा उतना इमेज का भी हाइट होगा. इमेज कैसा है, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड है. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है, अगर इमेज, ठीक है, अगर बिहाइंड द एफ एंड सी बना. ठीक है, मान लो बिटवीन एफ एंड सी ये रहा एफ, ये रहा सी. अगर इमेज मान लो लड़की यहाँ पे आ गई, तब लड़की कहाँ पे जाएगा, लड़की यहाँ पे आ गई. अगर देखो लड़की यहाँ पे थी तो लड़का भी यहीं पे था. लड़की यहाँ पे आई, लड़का बीच में आया. अब लड़की यहाँ पे आ गई, लड़का भी यहाँ पे आया था. अब लड़की यहाँ पे चली गई तो लड़का भी इधर ही आएगा ना. देखो अब क्या हुआ, ये देखो लड़की यहाँ पे आ गई. ठीक है, ऐसे ऐसे हुआ, ये दोनों कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे बने. लड़का यहाँ पे आ गया. ठीक है, इमेज कहाँ हुआ, यहाँ पे फॉर्म हुआ, और कैसे हुआ, बहुत बड़ा हुआ, ठीक है, लड़की यहाँ पे, लड़का यहाँ पे, ठीक है। पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन एफ एंड सी, इमेज पोजीशन बिहाइंड द सी, इमेज साइज इन लार्ज, इमेज नेचर रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, ओके। अब क्वेश्चन आता है ऑन फोकल पॉइंट, मैंने बोला था ना लड़की फोकल पे आ गई, लड़का इन्फिनिटी पे चल गया, ठीक है। तो ये देखो, ये रहा ऑब्जेक्ट, यहाँ से ऐसे करिए, इसको यहाँ से सेंटर से पास करा सकते हैं, ठीक है। ठीक है, सेंटर से भी पास करा सकते हो आप, नहीं तो इसको ऐसे ऐसा ऐसे भी पास करा, सेंटर से नहीं करा देना, ठीक है। तो ये देखो इन्फिनिटी, ये कहाँ पे जा रहा है इन्फिनिटी, ये पैरेलल ले जा रही है, ठीक है। अगर मान लो कभी तुमने सोचा पैरेलल कभी मीट करता है, हमने मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा है, द पैरेलल इज नेवर मीट, okay, but here the when we are drawing focal, if object is focal, when we are drawing a diagram, the all that ray is going parallel, so why we are writing it's a real and inverted, they are not meeting that, but we are thinking ये कहीं ना कहीं जाके मिलेगा, कहीं पे तो भी मिलेगा भाई साहब, ऐसा है इसमें, ठीक है ना। नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, इमेज पोजीशन देख लो उसका, कहाँ है, फोकल पॉइंट पे है, इमेज पोजीशन क्या है, एट इन्फिनिटी है, साइज़ क्या है डोंट नो, उसका साइज़ क्या होगा नहीं मालूम है। मान लो कोई पैरेलल ले जा रहा है, वो एक तो वो पहले मिलेगा नहीं, अगर वो कहीं पे मिलेगा तो कैसा है, वो कौन देखने जा रहा है, बड़ा बनेगा छोटा बनेगा, बनेगा तो बड़ा ही बनेगा, लेकिन कैसे बनेगा नहीं मालूम है हम लोग को, ठीक है। वी डोंट नो साइज ऑफ द फोकल, इफ़ parallel is going, they never meet, if they are meeting somewhere we not see that how they are meeting and how much the image size we cannot see, okay। nature कैसा है, don't know also nature, this is the real inverted, what the that is, but we can, some people are right real inverted, they if going to meet then it's a real only, okay, so we will not imagine it, okay, that's only. And that's coming one between f and c, behind the c, okay, if image is between focal and pole, between, you can say between pole and focal, okay, if that's image is from behind the mirror, that image, okay, image is p and f, position behind the mirror, size enlarged, you see that enlarged, nature कैसा है, virtual and erected है, what is the nature, nature is virtual and erected, okay। I'm coming to the concave mirror. Concave mirror is also known as a diverging mirror, the mirror which form upward image, that image is virtual and erected। मैंने जो भी लिखा है आप लोगों को समझने के लिए देंगे, ठीक है ना। रूल्स एंड इमेज फॉर्मेशन, देखो ये इमेज का फॉर्मेशन, ठीक है। कॉनकेव मिरर में क्या होता है कि वो मतलब डाइवर्ज कर देता है, रिफ्लेक्टर को डाइवर्ट, मतलब रे आएगी तो उसको डाइवर्स कर देगा, ठीक है। हम इमेजिन करते हैं, इमेजिन करके यहाँ पे मिलाते हैं कि भाई इमेज हमको दिखे, ठीक है ना। ये कॉनकेव मिरर है, ठीक है। ये लाइट आई यहाँ से डाइवर्ज कर दिया, इसको निकाल दिया, ठीक है। ये मतलब कोई है नहीं समझाने, अगर लाइट पैरेलल आती है तो इसको डाइवर्ज कर देगा उसको अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, अगर उधर से रे आई तो इसको पैरेलल डाइवर्ज कर देगा, ठीक। उल्टी रे आई तो, अगर ये सीधी आई ऐसे तो जैसे आई वैसे ही भेज देगा, जैसे तुम आए वैसे चले जाओ, ऐसे करके भेज देगा, ठीक है इसको। चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। अब तो इमेज फॉर्मेशन है, ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे है, ठीक है। ये रे लिए यहाँ से, एक लिए यहाँ से, तुमको पता है पैरेलल रे आएगी इसको उल्टा भेज देगा, ये आई पैरेलल ले आई और यहाँ पे इसको भेज दिया, सीधी लाइन आई इसको भेज दिया, एक रे आई थी उसको भेज दिया सीधी रे को। अब ये रे एक यहाँ से लेंगे, ठीक है, सेंटर से लेंगे, ठीक है, यहाँ से लिए, ये जाके मिल रहा, कहाँ पे मिल रहा, ये फोकल के पहले ही मिल रहा है, कैसे रहा, इमेज इसका एकदम छोटा सा इमेज है, ये बहुत छोटा इमेज फॉर्म करता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे पूछेगा हमसे पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज, मतलब इमेज कहाँ है, वेयर द image we don't know where is the image is something distant, image position, where is image form, f between f and p, you can say image side image is very small, if image is very small you can say diminished, image nature, what the image nature, virtual inducted, the if image is formed in upward, that is what that is, if image is formed upward, that is no, if image is formed upward that is the virtual and erected image, if image is from downward it is the real and inverted image, okay। if ray is coming like that parallel, it's going up, parallel going down, that meet in focal, image position of the object at infinity, image position at focus, image size highly diminished, it's a very small, you cannot see, but it's small, if you see in microscope that time I don't have idea about that, okay। image nature virtual and erected, okay, I hope you understand that, okay। next I'm going to tell you here is the formula of mirror formula, you know mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by b plus 1 by u. Okay, and here f means focal, I means image, o means object. Here radius formula, it means f is r by 2. Radius means what? You know radius, if I say to you, okay, this is the sphere, okay, and this is the center, but this is the center. This is also known as radius of curvature. Some people say radius of curvature, this is the radius, and this distance and this distance. If you cutting here, then you cut in the between, that's coming that side. This is the center, this is the focal. If ask you, radius is 20 centimeter, focal not given, radius is 20 centimeter, find the image. How can you find radius? You can say 2 by r. If you, this is the radius, center means radius only, I say na, this is the radius. If you cutting in the between, it's coming center of curvature means radius only. Radius is 20 centimeter, half of that 10 centimeter, focal is 10 centimeter. Understand? Okay, good. Focal length means radius of curvature, yeah, radius 2 by r. If you cut, if how much radius, if 20, 100, 5, 6, if you cut that, here is a, for example, I can say to you, if radius of curvature f by r by 2, if radius of curvature is you think that it's a 20, 25, 2 by, you can cut as 1 and here 2 and 5, that much radius, sorry, focal, that means focal point. Okay, if radius of curvature is you can think 10 centimeter, so what the you can find focal, so you can cut the 2, it's a 5 centimeter, half of that. Okay, half. Next, magnification. This is the formula of magnification, height of the object plus height of the image, height of the image plus height of the object. I means image, o means object. Okay, and here is also height of the image, height of, I am writing in sentence. Okay, mb means what? B means image, u means object, we all are object, u means we, you means here, what you are image. Just think that, memorize. Okay, that I'm writing. And some important notes that here, in a concave mirror, focal length is a negative and he's in convex mirror positive. If you're going to do numericals and questions about that height of the, that type of, I tell to you, I say na you, if you take, it's a sorry, I tell you here. Okay, it's a sphere. Okay, this is the center, I got one side is coming here, one side is coming here, that is the left side na, that is the left side, it means it's a negative, left handy means negative. This is coming right, you take it's a positive. Okay, his focal length is always negative only, it's not always, his focal length is negative only. Okay, his focal length is negative and his focal length is positive. Okay, understand or not? Concave mirror is a you that thing that this is the left hand. Okay, this is the left hand and this is my right hand. Okay, right hand is a convex mirror, my left hand is a concave mirror. Left hand is a concave mirror, right hand is a convex mirror. If left hand is that, it means minus. Okay, it means negative. If right hand is means positive, that means what? The focal length is negative, concave, and convex is positive, minus plus focal. Okay, next is object. If object is always minus, okay, his object is always is minus. Concave minus, in convex minus only. Object is minus, concave in left, convex in right side, that's why minus plus. This is the only for thinking. Okay, think, soch lo bas. And yet this is object always minus in both. Okay now. So next I'm going to tell you, if object is upside, that is the negative. If object is downside, that is the, sorry, if object is the upward, it means positive. If object is downward, it means negative. Okay, this is the height of the object. If upward, it means positive. If downward, it means negative. There also formula 1 by v, so rule. You can say it's a negative means here is minus change, a positive means positive. Okay, okay, and here is that a means magnification is, it means greater than 1, enlarge, image is enlarged. If less than 1, image is diminished. If m equal to 1, it means same size. Okay, if plus, if any, if magnification, if image is in positive, it's a virtual. If upward, if image is from upward, it means if image is from upward, that means what? It's a virtual and erected image. Okay, if image is from upward, it means virtual and erected image. If image is from downward, that means it's a what? It's a real and inverted image. Okay, and this is the question for you. Okay, a spherical mirror question. Find the position of a image characteristic for a concave mirror of a focal length 10 centimeter. Object is the place in front of the mirror at a 30 centimeter. Okay, the focal length is 10 centimeter given. Object is 30 centimeter given, but our image is not given. Where is the image from? We don't know. If you think that where is the image from, we don't know. Okay, the rule we can find. The rule is that 1 by v equal to 1 by 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by. Okay, I tell to you, this is the which mirror? This is a concave mirror. It means concave mirror means it's a left side and is a concave mirror. It means its focal length is minus, and his object is what I said now. Concave and convex mirror, all object is always in negative. Its object is negative. Okay, here is also focal length is 10 cm minus 10. I said to you, a 1 by v, don't know. 1 by 30 is the negative only. I said to you, you see that this is the negative, this is the negative. Why not we cut that? We cut that. Okay, here I cutting, here I cut that. Okay, cut that. You write first 1 by v. We are writing 1 by here and equal to 1 by 30 here. That is na. You think here is a plus. Why come here plus? You write here cutting na. We are cutting. You write that. Okay. And this is the coming that side. This is the coming that side. Here is a plus. If you come here, it's become minus. It's become minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by minus 3. You do like if you take LCM of 30 and 10, it's got 13. And 13 ja 1 only to 1. 10 13 ja 3. It's coming 3 times 3. And here is a 2 minus 2, because if you multiply by 3 by 1, it's coming positive. It's 1 by 3. You cannot separate. We can take minus only. Minus 2 by 13. So if you cut that, we got 15. How you got? In minus 15 you got. Fine, minus 15. Then if anything, I said to you now, if image is from upward, it is positive. If image is from downward, it's negative. It's a negative. It means its image is from downward. Its image is from downward. It means that it is a real and inverted image. It's a real inverted image. Okay, concave is also always in from inverted image. But last case, when object is in p pole and focal, that time we form in negative. Upward. Okay, image. It is 15 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay. That you can take pass focal length 10 centimeter, you can write 10 centimeter and 13 centimeter object. It means here, and how much distance? That is the 10 centimeter distance. Now you take 10 centimeter means 10 to 20 centimeters center of curvature. 10 centimeter, this is equal 10 centimeter means center of curvature, and it's a 20. Okay, 30 centimeter, you take some distance 13, it's become here, and that is object. You can pass here and use no na. If image is infinity, it's focal only. If image is coming behind the C, image is also between F and C. Image is from between F and C. We can understand that. How much distance? You see that this is the 10 centimeter and between he form, it means it's 15 centimeter. It's a 15 centimeter. So how the image is a downward image. It means it's a real and inverted image. Okay, and sometimes you can say now, if you do like that, then how can it's imagine only. We are imagining that. Where is the we cannot. If image is formed, we can say that it's a 15 centimeter. It's a 16 centimeter. No, we are confusing. It's a 15 or 16. That's why we are doing that. Okay, understand or not? Okay, good. And here is the position of the object where is the behind the C, image position between F and C, image size diminished, image nature inverted and real and inverted and real both are same, not either erected and virtual and erected and virtual both are set, only inverted and real and inverted both are same. Second question is that Find the position of an image for a convex mirror of focal length 20 cm when object is placed in front of the mirror at a 30 cm focal. I say na, left side concave, right side convex. Convex in right side, it means it's a plus. It's a plus to 20 cm plus. Focal length is always minus in concave and convex, it's a minus. Okay, here is the rule. And this is the concave is plus, convex is 13 cm in minus. You take 1 by v, it's a minus. Okay, here is a plus. If you see that, plus minus, minus always. If minus is going right side, what happened? What happened? Plus minus minus. Minus is here. It's going here side. It's become 130 minus only. Okay. So here is that. No. I'm sorry. Here is a 1 by v. You can write. You cannot change this. This is plus and this is. We can take it that side. Okay. This is the positive. It's come here. It's come negative. Okay. And here is the plus. If anything is not, it means it's a plus only. But we are not showing. It's a plus only. And if you do here LCM, we take it's 16, 13 to the 2 and plus 3, it's become 5 and 16. If you can plus 4, 12, it's coming in plus 12. It means if object is in, if image is positive, it means upside image is positive, downside is negative. If image is positive, that means it's a virtual and erected image. Okay, it's a not real inverted, it's a virtual inverted. Okay, see here, object is something distance at 20, object is 13 cm, pole is here, image is from upward. How image is that? Virtual. Concave mirror is now always, concave mirror is always from real image, but 6th generation when object is that time only form in inverted, virtual image. In concave, convex it's from always, convex it's always from what image? Virtual and erected. Okay, in concave mirror in the last sixth topic, it's from in erected and virtual image. Okay, I hope you understand that. And this is the position of the object, this is the image position and image size, image nature. Okay, I see you fifth only, directly fifth. Okay, focal length, that's something distance. We got one with you, that image is from where. Okay, I'm going to show you one time so clear note. Okay, reflection of light and curved plane mirror, a spherical mirror. Okay, next. And I'm writing somewhere Hindi. Okay, I show you where I'm writing. Okay, next. If you are not understand, this is a note only and I'm trying to understand you, but when you in board, that time you understand very clearly. Okay, and here is that the image which is formed downward, the object, the mirror which is formed downward of the image, it is real and inverted image. The mirror which is formed downward of the image is called real and inverted image here only. Okay, okay now this is the also concave. In some other words it's showing that, but in our class that is okay. Going next, image position, object position, and if image is behind the sea. Okay, if on the center of curvature. Okay ना. Okay, and concave mirror, that is convex mirror, and rule of formation. If ray is coming like that, ray is coming like that, then what happen? Okay, next I'm going, and this is the mirror. If mirror object is here, then position, it's a convex. Okay, if object is coming here, then understand. Good, see that, excellent. It's a mirror formula, and this is the radius formula, and this is the magnification formula. There is also one, this is also one formula of magnification. And here is some important notes. If concave focal length is always negative because it's a left side, it's a positive because it's a right side, negative always. And if image upward is positive, image is downward is means negative. The image is height of the, it is, if image upward is inverted, erected in inverted, sorry, if image is downward is form inverted and real. If image is upward, it's erected and virtual image is form. Okay, next, if magnification is greater than 1, it's enlarged. If less than 1, it means diminished. M equal to 1, it means same size. M plus positive virtual inducted upward, M plus negative real inverted downward. Okay, and this is the question. This is the question, and this is the answer. Okay, okay now, this is the image. Okay, okay, next. This is the question, fourth, and this is the answer. Okay, and this is the fifth question we can find here. Okay, and this is our sixth question here, that asking to you focal length, object, height of the object virtually erected, and first we find that our image formation, image is 3.5 our image, then after height of the object plus virtual, you can find here in a centimeter. Okay, so now I'm totally show you our, that's first chapter. What is that? Reflection of light at curved surface. I'm totally show you everything in notes, and I'm not tell you in very deeply and not tell to you. Okay, I just I'm showing you notes, and if you want to write, you can write. If you not understand, you can say to me, and first you try to understand, and if I try to make next video for it. Okay, आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और हम फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद दोस्तों.